was just me and my dreams, and the days went ticking by like the beat of my heart. Spend my nights wondering how it would feel when the waiting would end and tomorrow would start. Suddenly I see a light out of the darkness. I'm coming alive. So this is how it feels, reaching for heaven. This is how it feels, kissing the sky. This is what it means, touching forever. Like a phoenix rising from the flames, I'm reaching for heaven. All this time, I never knew I was so strong, but you made me find the fire that was there all along. In your eyes, I can see all I can be. Suddenly I want it all. I know you'll catch me if ever I fall. So this is how it feels, reaching for heaven. This is how it feels, kissing the sky. This is what it means, touching forever. Like a phoenix rising from the flames, I'm reaching for heaven. You alone have shown me shining new horizons. Now for all I owe you, it's my turn to show you. This is how it feels, reaching for heaven. This is how it feels, kissing the sky. This is what it means, touching forever. Like a phoenix rising from the flames, I'm reaching for heaven, reaching for heaven. This is how it feels, kissing the sky. This is what it means, touching forever. Like a phoenix rising from the flames, I'm reaching for heaven, reaching for
Hi, Sis Casey. Happy birthday. Salamat po sa Diyos. Sana maraming birthday. Maraming yun lang. Hello, Sis Casey. Happy birthday. How old are you? Happy birthday, Sis Casey. Be good always. Be a good girl. Love you. Hello po, Casey. Happy birthday po. Hello po. Happy birthday po, Sis Bente.
birthday, picture. Hello, mga fans out there. Sis Casey, happy birthday. Kapatid ko na Sis Casey. Sis Casey, Benten, happy birthday. Blow out.
Casey, happy birthday. Happy birthday po.
Michael, birthday.
Ano ba yan?
Hello po, Sis Casey, birthday niyo pala. Ay, 25 na pala kayo? At sana matikman namin yung blowout nyo. Kailan ba ang blowout? So, hindi complete yung pagbati namin kung hindi ka makakatikim ng blowout. Meron akong wish sa iyo. Sana po ay lumaki ka na. Kasi maliit ka pa rin ngayon. 25 ka na pala. Matanda na ako sa inyo ng 10 taon. Hindi po, salamat. Yung tagal din po Nakaka mo, kagayin ko. Tagal na yun. Thank you. Hey! Hi! Thank you.
Picture ba yan? Hi Casey, hi Casey Vincent, happy birthday. Hi Benten, Hi Benten, happy birthday. Sana magmasaya ko ngayong birthday. Yun lang. I love you. Hi Vincent, happy birthday. Sana lumaki ka na. Ay, ganun.
Hi Kaye! Hello! Happy birthday! Ito ka na ba? 18? Wish ka sana magkaroon ka ng love life. Pero huwag mo uunahan si Gessie ha. Yun lang. Kita tayo sa susunod ha. Bye!
Mana? Ay, happy birthday kay... Di ba nasasabihin ko? Ilang?
Hi Casey! Happy birthday! I miss you and I hope we will meet soon. And wish ko sa birthday mo, will be good health and more progress in your career. And God bless. That's all. Love you!
Hi kaye. Advance happy birthday 42 kayo na yata. Sabihan mo lang ako sa nang binyo. Darating ako.
Okay, happy birthday nga pala sa darating yung birthday. May birthdays to come, tsaka sana maging successful ka pa sa life at tsaka sa job mo. Sana mag-excel pa tayo. Pagdating sa work, love life. Sana matagpa mo na yan. Although, nandyan lang yan sa mayroon mo na.
Okay to.
Okay na.
Hi Casey, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And God bless. Good luck.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Kaye.
KD, happy birthday sa'yo. Message namin sa'yo is magandang career.
Yes.
Sana love life na.
Ang the one?
Sana yung love life is mag-bloom na ngayong taon na to. Bago yung reunion natin.
Case, happy birthday Case. Wish mo lang sana nga lumaki ka pa. At sana nga hindi kayo magbabago. Yun lang ang wish ko. Patuloy kayong umunlad. At tulungan niyo yung mga, syempre tulungan niyo yung mga classmates niyo. Wala mo na lang sino to. Hulaan mo sino to. Eto na, hindi mo na hulaan.
Happy birthday, Case, ha? Sana nga hindi kayo makakalimutan. Salamat miss sa pagkalo niyo. Huwag mo kalimutan pakainin ako. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Casey. Idol, happy birthday. 25 years ka na, maliit pa rin. Yung mga pangarap mo ay matupad mo. Sana the next 2 years, meron akong aalagaan ako. Enjoy. Have more birthdays to come. I love you.
Hi ate! Happy birthday! Salamat sa mga ginawa ko para sa aming mama. So, yung pag-advise mo sa amin, especially sa paniniwala, faith in God. Anyways, just enjoy kung ano man meron ka sa ngayon. Ano pa ba yung mawi-wish ko para sa'yo? Yung kulang na lang! Dali na, katulad ng sinabi, katulad ng mga sinasabi namin palagi na kahit hindi lang ako yung nagsasabi nito. Lahat kami excited. Excited kami sa magiging baby mo. Sa soon na yun. Dapat may asawa ka na. Dalian mo na. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello Casey, happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo blooming career, healthy lifestyle, happy family, and many more friends. Alam mo, na-miss ko yung college days natin. Ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit naging makulay yung batch natin. Isa ka sa mga the best at warang classmate na nakilala ko. Kaya stay as you are. Huwag kang magbabago kasi yan ang gusto namin eh. Mabait at mainhin. About sa video nga pala, ito na yung pinaka-the best video na nagawa ko. Sana nag-enjoy ka kasi nag-enjoy naman ang ginawa ko. Sana hindi ko napunta yung ibang friends mo kasi shy sila. Joke lang. Siguro kulang na rin sa oras pero sabi naman nila, happy birthday. So para sa pinakamaliit, pinakamabait, pinakamasipag, at pinakapit kong classmate, happy 25th birthday. And this video in memory will last forever. Bye! Happy birthday ulit!
Salamat sa lahat ng mga nakaalala ng birthday ko at salamat sa mga lahat ng bumati. Salamat sa pagiging part nyo ng life ko at syempre, first of all, thank you kay God dahil nag-exist ako. Salamat ng marami. The best.